turn now to Storm Watch 12 Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman. Another cool start to our night. Is that fog going to continue to roll in as the night goes on?
For some of our west side valleys, yeah, we're definitely seeing it right now in the Grants Pass area. Visibility is near zero, and this is freezing fog with temperatures below freezing, so we could see some very frosty and slick conditions in some spots in our west side valleys. Right now, basically the Grants Pass area is the only game in town. Also north of the Umpqua Divide, seeing areas of freezing fog, but visibility is looking good pretty much everywhere else. Temperatures, we're down to 30 now in Medford. It's 28 in Ashland, 16 at Lake of the Woods, 40 in Brookings. It's going to be a cold night throughout the region. Many spots below freezing in Northern California, 26 in Montague, 22 in Doris, and we're down to 31 now in Mount Shasta. East of the Cascades, look at these numbers, already down to 5 degrees in Chemult, 19 in Klamath Falls, 22 in Lakeview, and 19 degrees currently in Paisley. So cold temperatures tonight, areas of freezing fog developing in our west side valleys. Some of it could be locally dense. And then here's a look at that forecast for tomorrow. It will be a dry day. Any low clouds and fog should break up as we go throughout to the late morning and then into the early afternoon hours. But some mid to high level clouds will be streaming on in as the next storm system approaches us. If you're going to be heading to the coast tomorrow, do beware in the afternoon and evening hours. There is a beach hazard statement. There will be an increased risk for sneaker waves tomorrow. Heading up to Mount Ashland, we'll see some lighter winds for your Tuesday. Some clouds starting to increase in the afternoon. Milder temperatures for both Mount Ashland and the Mount Shasta Ski Park. Lots of sunshine on the mountain tomorrow at Mount Shasta, but snow is on the way for our higher elevations coming up on Wednesday. Here's Stormcast as we head through the morning and especially around midday. Rain pushing in to Curry and Josephine counties. That will spread inland as we head through the rest of the afternoon and then into the evening. Snow levels starting off around 5,000 feet, but then quickly dropping into tomorrow night down to 3,000 feet. By early Thursday, we do expect significant snow along the Cascades. Most spots up to 6 to 12 inches or so of snow. A few showers, especially along the Cascades, will linger. Snow showers, of course, in the higher elevations. But we should dry out as we go through your New Year's Eve. And as we ring in 2021, we'll be quiet. It'll be dry, a little bit chilly, but another storm system will work on in later on New Year's Day. Here's a look at winter weather advisories from 1 p.m. Wednesday to 7 a.m. Thursday. The Crater Lake and Diamond Lake areas and the higher terrain of the east side where travel will definitely be impacted from the snow. The highest amounts will be up towards Crater Lake and Diamond Lake when it comes to snowfall, and winds will be strong as well. We even have a high wind watch for parts of the east side for Wednesday afternoon through a good chunk of Wednesday night as well. Gusts could be out of the southwest as high as 65 miles per hour. Here's a closer look at snow amounts. Up around a foot or so of snow at Crater Lake and Diamond Lake, Mount Ashland and Lake of the Woods. 6 to 8 inches expected, 2 to 6 inches for much of the east side high terrain. The city of Mount Shasta, we're looking at 2 to 4 inches for you folks, and about 1 to 2 inches in the Klamath Basin, including Klamath Falls, and then up at the Siskiyou Summit. Rainfall amounts, highest amounts will be for the coast and the coastal mountains, likely up over an inch of rain in many spots. And then in our west side valleys, including the Rogue Valley, most spots ranging between 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch. And then here's a look at that New Year's Eve and New Year's Day forecast. Pretty quiet New Year's Eve night, but more wet weather working on in on your New Year's Day. 7-day forecast for the coast. Rain pushing in on Wednesday. Some of it could be moderate to heavy at times, and it will be rather windy as well. Northern California, more rain and snow pushing in for Wednesday. Some drier weather on New Year's Eve before that next system comes in on Friday. The Klamath Basin, more snow in the forecast as we head later Wednesday and especially into Wednesday night. For the Cascades and Siskiyous, difficult pass travel, especially later Wednesday into Thursday morning. We'll see more rounds of wet weather as we head into this upcoming weekend. And then for the Rogue Valley, one more dry day tomorrow, but a series of storms will keep things busy here as we head through the weekend.
Thank you.